Hello and welcome to another exciting video of class 3 EVS, and in today's session we are going to complete the exercise of our very recent lesson, that is soil. So I hope before that I hope you all have gone through the lesson, that is textbook also, and you have gone through the video as well. So if you haven't, once again open that link, visit YouTube, see that video once again, and then read that lesson from the textbook also, and then try to solve the exercise in your notebook. Okay, so the first question of your exercise is fill in the blanks with correct option. Here questions are given, and along with that two separate options are given, and you have to select one of them. Okay, out of two options you have to select any correct one. So the first question in the fill in the blanks with the correct option is, besides the natural forces dash dash is a cause of a soil erosion. Natural forces means what? The forces which are natural, means human intervention is not there. So along with that, which is the another force which results in, or which is the main cause of soil erosion. So two options are given. First one is a deforestation and second one is afforestation. So which one it is? Yes, come on, guess which one. So two options are deforestation and afforestation. Deforestation means cutting of trees, and afforestation means planting more and more trees. So which option will be there? Yes, come on. So here we go. The option is deforestation. Beside the natural forces, deforestation is one of the main cause, because we are cutting down the trees and all, because that also soil erosion is happening. Now second question is, soil is formed by dash dash upper rocks. Again two options are given, weathering and joining. What is meant by weathering? Weathering means when main rock is broken down into small pieces, that pieces again breaks down into small one. And joining means joining one or more pieces of rock. That never happens. So which option will be there? Yes, which option will be there? So weathering will be the option. Weathering is the correct option. You have to write down weathering over there. Now third one, soil is a dash dash resource. Soil is a natural resource and other option is artificial resource. Natural means which is already present in a nature, and artificial means we have to prepare it. So can we prepare soil by our own? No, we cannot prepare soil by our own. So that is why soil is a natural resource. When we are writing, that time you have to make sure that you are writing correct spelling also. So while writing, they recall that spelling also over there. Okay, now fourth one, dash dash soil is composed of a soil, sand, silt and clay. So in which soil sand is also present, silt is also present and clay is also present. Silt means small pieces of rocks, and clay means keychain that we know. So which soil is there which contains all of them? So which is there? Sandy soil. Sandy soil means small pieces of rocks. No. So which one will be the correct one? Loamy will be the correct option. Remember the spelling also. Loamy. Got it? So this was about our first question. You have to write down in your notebook also, and with pencil you are going to write that. Now we will move forward to our next question, that is match the column. Here column A, in which layers of soil are given, and in column B the function is given. So first option, I'll read out all the options. First option is bedrock, second one is weathered rock fragments, third one is subsoil, fourth one is topsoil. In column B, first is uppermost fertile layer of the soil, second one is a less fertile than topsoil, small piece of rocks formed due to weathering of a bedrock, this is third one, and fourth one is unbroken solid rocks. So what is bedrock? If you can see to the left of the screen, image is given. Bedrock is the lowest layer of the soil layers. So it is unbroken solid rocks. So arrow is there. I have shown you arrow. You don't have to show the arrow. I'm showing you for just for example. Then weathered rock fragments, it is just above the bedrock. So it is small pieces of rocks formed due to weathering of bedrock. Then subsoil is the second layer. So second layer which is less fertile than first layer. So it is less fertile than topsoil, and topsoil is the uppermost fertile layer of the soil. So how will be the answer? First will go to fourth, B will go to third, C will go to second, and D will go to first. This will be the answers of match the column question. Got it? Now, third question, you have to answer the questions in 3 to 5 sentences. So the first question is how soil is formed. As if you have gone through the video, you will get to know that soil is formed from the weathering of rocks. Weathering of rocks means what? Weathering of rocks means breaking down the big rocks into smaller pieces of rocks. And that smaller pieces of rocks again breaks down into smaller pieces to form sand, and that sand along with the decaying matter and animals which are dead mixes with each other, and they will find a soil. So you have to write the answer like this: soil is formed by the weathering of rocks, and weathering is breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces. When the smaller pieces of rocks breaks down further, they form sand, and this sand along with the decaying plants and animals and living matters form the soil. Got it? It's very easy. If you have gone through the video, that is our first lesson video, and the textbook also, then it will be very easy for you. Then the next question is, state any two ways of a soil conservation. We have seen two parts, that is soil erosion also and soil conservation also. So what is soil conservation? So soil conservation is stopping the loss of the soil caused by the soil erosion. It's called soil erosion. So which are the reasons for soil erosion? Natural forces, that is there, wind is there, flood is there, but apart from that, deforestation is there, grazing of cattle is there. So we can do afforestation, means planting more trees and taking care of grazing. So afforestation and keeping check on overgrazing of cattle is, these are two ways of soil conservation. Got it? Nice. Now the next question is, what is weathering of a rocks? As we have discussed, what is weathering of a rocks? We have a huge rocks. When because of some natural forces like wind, rain, and other natural forces, that huge rocks breaks down into small pieces, and that small pieces again breaks down into small pieces to found to form sand, and this process is called weathering of rocks. So weathering is the breaking down of rocks into smaller pieces. Got it? Next one, what is soil erosion? You know that you can see in that figure also, which is to the left. Soil is made up of layer, and because of some natural forces or some our artificial forces, when the first layer, that is the top layer of the soil, washes out, that time, that process is called soil erosion. So when the top fertile layer of the soil is washed away by natural forces like water and wind, it is called soil erosion. Got it? Very nice. Last one. What is clay soil? Three types of soils we have seen. One is a sandy, second one is a loamy, and third one is a clay soil. So what is clay soil? So clay soil is a fine grained particle. Means so small particles are hold together. It is very small particles, and it is heavy because particle size is small. That is why it holds more number of particles will be together. Okay, so that is why it holds a lot of water also, and where it is used, it is used to make pots and all that. So this is about clay soil. Are we clear about that? And it has also some medicinal properties. Now the fourth question, you have to look at this picture. Three pictures are given and you have to name them. Which layer, sand, which soil is shown over there. So which is the first one? First one is sandy soil. What is the second one? Second one is a clayey soil, and third one is loamy soil. These are three types of soils. So you have to write down these all four questions in your notebook also. Got it? So I hope you have understood all those four questions. You have to rewrite those questions in your notebook. Take care, stay home, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.